Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. I welcome you all to this online class. Today, we are going to learn parts of speech. In a sentence, we have a group of words which are having different parts in it. So, we will be focusing on the parts of speech today. We have got 8 parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. First one is noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. A noun is a word that names a person, place, or a thing, or name of an animal also. Example, name of a person in the sense we can have John, William, and name of a place you can say Medak, New York City. Thing, it can be a box, pencil, anything. So a noun is a naming word where we are giving a name to a person or a city or a particular thing. Now we will be seeing types of nouns. In types of nouns, we have 10 types of nouns, that is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable, uncountable nouns, compound nouns, collective nouns, singular nouns, and plural nouns. First one, we have common noun. In common noun, we commonly call a person, place, or a thing. In a proper noun, you give a specific identification to the listener, a specific thing. For example, you can see a common noun and a proper noun that are being given. In common noun, we say a city, but in proper noun, you give a name of that particular place. We say in common noun a girl, but in proper noun, you give a name to that particular girl. It may be Sita, Geeta, anything. Teacher, here you call her Miss Smith. Like that, you are commonly called things, we call it as common noun, and proper nouns are those which have a specific identity to them. We have next one as abstract nouns. Abstract nouns is a word which names something that you cannot see, hear, touch, feel, or taste, but accordingly you can feel them. For example, what I'm talking to you is a truth or not. Nobody can see it. Yes. So idea, what is there in my mind, nobody can see. Maybe the fear which is there in my mind. So all these are called abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are those nouns which cannot be seen but which can be felt according to the action or according to the situation. Yes. So let us see the examples that are been given. We have to get at the truth of the matter. So like that, we can see few examples that are being given as like that: truth, faith, defeat, success, idea, fear, anger, strength. All this cannot be seen, but according to the sentence situations, you can feel them and we are able to identify them. If your face is very afraid, you say that you are feared. Yes. And if you are smiling, you say that you are happy. So all this will come under abstract nouns.